Hey everyone! Today we have something really exciting to share with you. We're diving into a topic that's crucial for all coaches out there: how to price your services effectively. Talking about money can be a little awkward, but getting your prices right is a game changer. It's not just about numbers, it's about valuing your expertise and time. It's about knowing your worth, finding the right clients, and making a real difference in their lives. When you price your services correctly, you attract clients who are serious about their growth. We want you to feel great about what you charge and confident in attracting clients who are ready to invest in themselves. This isn't just about making money, it's about creating value and building lasting relationships. So, if you're ready to become a pricing pro, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. We're here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring you feel empowered and ready to take on the world of coaching with confidence. Okay, let's start with you. You're already incredibly valuable. You might not always feel it, but trust me, you are. Every single person has something unique to offer, and that includes you. You have unique skills, experiences, and something special that only you can offer. Think about the journey you've been on, the lessons you've learned, and the skills you've developed along the way. This isn't about bragging. It's about recognizing your strengths. It's about understanding what makes you, you. When you acknowledge your strengths, you can leverage them to create more value in your life and in the lives of others. Think about it. What are you naturally good at? What makes you excited? What activities make you lose track of time because you're so engrossed in them? These are clues to your strengths and passions. What challenges have you overcome? Write it down. Don't be shy. Reflecting on your past achievements can give you a clearer picture of your capabilities and resilience. The better you understand your value, the easier it is to share it with others. When you know your worth, you can communicate it effectively, whether it's in a job interview, a business meeting, or a casual conversation. Now, think about 3 specific skills or experiences that make you different from other coaches. Write those down too. These could be anything from a unique approach to problem solving to a particular expertise in a niche area. This will help you feel confident when talking about your services. When you can clearly articulate what sets you apart, you become more compelling and attractive to potential clients or employers. What makes you stand out? Embrace it, celebrate it, and let it shine. Your unique value is your greatest asset. Now that we know how awesome you are, let's see what other coaches are doing. Understanding what others charge is key to finding the right price for you. It's like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients. Find 3 coaches who work with your ideal client and whose businesses you admire. Look at their websites and see what they offer and how much they charge. Take notes on their pricing and packages. Remember, this is about gathering information, not comparing yourself. Who are 3 coaches you admire? You. Now let's focus on your ideal client. Identifying your ideal client is the cornerstone of your business strategy. It's not just about demographics. It's about understanding their psyche, their needs, and their desires. Pricing isn't just about numbers. It's about connecting with the people you want to help. When you know who your ideal client is, you can tailor your pricing strategy to meet their expectations and perceived value. Understand their wants, challenges, and what they're willing to pay for change. Dive deep into their world. What keeps them up at night? What solutions are they desperately seeking? Imagine your perfect client sitting across from you. What are their dreams? What worries them? Visualize their daily struggles and aspirations. This will help you create a more personalized and effective approach. What are they struggling with? Be specific. The more detailed you are, the better you can address their pain points and offer solutions that resonate with them. What kind of car do they drive? What do they read? These details might seem trivial, but they paint a vivid picture of your ideal client's lifestyle and preferences. Where do they spend time online? Knowing their online habits can help you target your marketing efforts more effectively. The more you know, the better you'll understand them. This understanding will guide your decisions, from product development to marketing strategies. What does your ideal client value most? Support, accountability, expert advice. Identifying these values will help you align your services with their expectations. Knowing their values will help you understand what they're willing to invest in. This insight is crucial for creating compelling offers that they can't resist. What are your ideal clients' values? By understanding their core values, you can build a stronger, more meaningful connection with them, ultimately leading to a more successful business relationship. Now let's talk numbers. Knowing your costs is important for setting prices that support your business. Think about all your expenses: website hosting, software, and any training you do. Don't forget your time. How long do you spend on client sessions, emails, and creating content? Write everything down, even the small things. What are your biggest business expenses? Now it's time to create a pricing strategy that works for you. There's no single right way. It's about finding what's best for you and your business. Let's look at some options. Hourly rates are great for starting or short sessions. Packages are good for creating a premium experience. You can also offer different service levels for different budgets. Once you pick a strategy, don't be afraid to change it as you grow. Which pricing strategy feels right for you? You did it! Give yourself a high five. You're on your way to becoming a pricing pro. Now that you know how to price your services, I want to hear from you. What did you learn? What are you excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to my channel for more tips. What will you do next to improve your pricing?